Well, in the shop with me today, I got my good friend Zach McAllister from Dustless Blasting. How you doing, Zach?
I'm doing awesome, Dennis. How are you today?
I'm just fantastic. You know, I've worked with you guys for a long time, and you make great machines, the Dustless Blasting units, and you do great back-end marketing support for people that want to get into this business. You know, of course, you've got a great online presence and produce all sorts of videos so people can see this stuff in action and see how it's done. You've even created your own studio now to do that even better.
Just like anything else, we're always trying to improve. And so we've got the Dustless Blasting Academy.
Ooh, I like that.
With that, we're able to have our full studio. We're able to produce great training videos, resources, help customers with their marketing materials, all in an extremely professional setting. So as long as you got your phone or a laptop, you're able to get basically any of your questions answered. So you've got all these wonderful online training resources where, you know, if you're not quite sure, hey, how do I want to go about approaching this graffiti removal on brick, right? There's a video for that.
So let's talk about all the things you can do with the Dustless Blasting unit. And graffiti removal is one of them.
Sure. Well, one of the things I've always said is everything in the world is painted, rusty, and dirty. So there's no shortage of opportunity that's out there. Now, with that, most of our customers find out that they're not going to be everything to everybody. So most people do start to have some type of specialty application. So maybe they live in Houston, Texas, and there's pools everywhere. So pool tile cleaning becomes a fabulous niche. Or they're really passionate about beautifying the city that they live in, you know, so that they can keep and maintain the community, you know, that they're a part of.
But even like parking lot line removals or curb paint removal.
Sure, infrastructure related stuff, you know, the things that make the world go round, line stripes, they seem so simple and they go down so easy. But the funny thing about paint, it always goes on easier than it comes off, right? So when you have the right tool to be able to go out and do that and accomplish the jobs, you really do fill a void.
Marine, boats.
Absolutely. So anti-fouling paint on boat bottoms, it's a great application for the tools. It needs to be replaced. And so conventional methods are going to be either chemical strippers or hand sanding, right? So, you know, the way that our tool works is it's roughly a 1 to 20 relationship. I can do in 1 hour with our tool what would take you 20 hours by hand.
That's a pretty compelling ratio.
It's huge, right? And so everything is about productivity and throughput.
Yeah, one of the great things too in a commercial application is that Dustless Blasting allows you to, other people can work around where you're working. Unlike sandblasting or things of the past, I mean, you can still have other jobs going on.
One of the great things about the tool is, of course, its ability to be portable, and then once you're there, you're not going to ruin everybody else's day.
Well, then, of course, near and dear to my heart is automotive, and you and I actually stripped my old F-150 truck, and it was just, that's when I became a believer. Because, I mean, we did that thing start to finish in less than 45 minutes, and I did half of it, and I'd never touched one of those before.
Of course, like anything, it's different, it's not difficult. So within a few minutes of just showing you how to use the tool, everything else came natural. You know, just the way that you know, carried yourself throughout the project, it just came very natural to you.
Well, it does. I mean, you see it happening, you go, oh, yeah, and it really is amazing, I must say.
And it's not very difficult either.
So not only do you guys make great machines and you provide amazing back-end marketing support to help people get into business for themselves, but you're now actually even providing financing, further helping people get started.
Sure. So like we've told you for years, we truly are passionate about helping people start businesses. And so many of our customers, they don't know how to start. You know, walking into a bank and trying to tell your banker, hey, I really want a Dustless Blaster. And he goes, what's that?
But you guys know what that is.
Absolutely. So we're truly able to help people, not just with their marketing material, but truly starting their business from a financing side as well.
So it means you're actually now helping people finance their startup.
Absolutely. We're turnkey, just like always.
You truly are.
And getting better.
All the time. Well, hey, if you want to learn anything more about the great Dustless Blasting units, the marketing background, or even the financing you can get with them, log on to dustlessblasting.com. Why wouldn't you do it?
That's a great question. Why wouldn't you?